The commander-in-chief of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces, Emmerson Mnangagwa, is promoted two senior Zimbabwe National Army officers to the rank of Brigadier General in a move that comes against the backdrop of Zimbabwe's long-standing tradition of close ties between the ruling party ZANU-PF and the military establishment. So, hapa na Comrade Mnangagwa promotes two army generals. Don't go subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipira mnamuda ngomchenzi Brigadier General Kenson Carlos Dube and Jabulani Malambo were conferred with their new ranks during an investiture ceremony held in Jesiah Magamatugu Barracks on Friday. Commander of the Zimbabwe National Army, Lieutenant General Asha Walter Tafmanei, commended the officers for their professionalism, loyalty, and dedication to duty, describing their elevation as a product of rigorous selection process. He urged the officers to uphold the Constitution in defending Zimbabwe's sovereignty and territorial integrity. The newly promoted brigadiers pledged to execute their duties with diligence and commitment. In quotes, we do not take this promotion for granted, as we are aware that there were many other colonels who were competent and could have equally been promoted, said Brigadier General Dube. We are aware of the immensity of the task that lies ahead of us, and we endeavor to be equal to it. The promotions comes within a broader historical and political context in which ZANU-PF has maintained strong ties with the military dating back the liberation struggle of the 1970s. The ruling party's leadership and senior military figures share deep roots in the former guerrilla movements, particularly the Zimbabwe African National Liberation Army (ZANLA), which later evolved the National Army at independence in 1980. Over the years, critics and analysts have argued that this relationship has translated into political patronage, with the senior military officials often perceived to be aligned with or rewarded by the ruling party. The perception was reinforced during the November 2017 military intervention that led to the ousting of former President Robert Mugabe and the eventual rise of Mnangagwa to power. Toma developments ari kuda panguva ino. Pana comment section medu dzafungira aim tudipa muzere vechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.